Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Today we will learn about the another separating mixtures technique, which is distillation. Students, distillation is a process used to separate the solvent from a solution. It is an important organic process used to separate two or more than two liquids having different boiling points from a liquid mixture. And do remember that it's a physical process, not a chemical change. So students, if you have some seawater and you want to obtain the pure water out of it, then you would need to heat the water until it boils. So in this picture you can see that water is being heated. After boiling, the steam will be entered into this condenser. Here the steam will be cooled and condensed, and after condensation the water will be turned back into liquid form, and this water is absolutely pure. This process is called distillation, and this water is called distilled water. So here is the process. First of all, boil the seawater, then cool it, then condense it in the condenser, and then after condensation it will be converted into liquid, which will be distilled water. Students, the process of distillation is used in oil companies for the refining of oil. Oil companies obtain their oil by drilling wells in the ground or in the rocks under the sea. The oil which comes from the well is called crude oil, which is not pure. The crude oil is a mixture. It is not much used until its components have been separated out at an oil refinery, like the one shown in this picture. At the refinery, the crude oil is heated in the furnace at 370 degrees Celsius. Each part of the mixture boils at different temperature. The part which the part with the lowest boiling point boils first and is collected from the bottom of the column. The part of the mixture with the highest boiling point, which is the petrochemistry, boils last and collected from the top of the column. This type of distillation is called fractional distillation, and by this fractional distillation, petrol, diesel, kerosene, gasoline, all are separated from the crude oil. Students, more important uses of industrial uses of fractional distillation are to produce large quantities of oxygen, nitrogen, argon by fractionally distilling liquefied air, which we have done in chapter number 6, Air and Atmosphere. So it was our today's lecture about distillation. I hope you have got it. Meet you with the next video. Allah Hafiz.